just want to do a quick breakdown of our positions in GU today. Well, in London, we decided to sell, okay, and we were able to gain a total of about 42 pips after we took profit, all right, or just a little bit more. We thought that this was going to be a full redistribution during London, but instead GU bought up. But at 3:15 a.m. we entered the buy as well, gaining about 39 pips. All right, and we had, I think, about 2 positions in that gave us about 39 pips altogether. And then in New York, we saw that the original sell that we wanted started to take place, and so we took the sell in New York, and we gained about 123 pips. We had 2 entries on this sell position, and we took full profit at 123 pips. We then bought in New York as well, and we ended up taking full profit at about 52 pips, and then we sold again a second time, okay, in New York, and we entered a second entry on our sell, and currently that's where we are, and we're sitting, I think, about 60 something pips, okay, so about 58 pips that we're sitting. And so we wanted you to see exactly how we took advantage of New York. Enjoy the screenshots. There'll be a full breakdown for our students in our group.
You know I'ma keep it all the way real with you, right? The government act like they really care. They don't care, they just do what they feel. Shut off their lights in a pandemic with no utilities, stay a panic. 1,200 for stimulus. Tell them we trading, we ain't feeling it. Leading the charge, marking up charts in the forex market, we killing it. Taking profit like they taking names. Told y'all I ain't playing games. 4 years with a few tears. A lot quit, but I'm still here. Now your boys out giving the game. I want us winning the same. More profit, we ain't stopping. Making trips to the bank. You can't do much when your money low. We in a lockdown, let it grow. Quit chasing them trades, just let them go. When it hit, bruh, you would know. Break a trend line, break a zone. Catch a runner or take the goal. Whatever you do, quit playing with them. You gotta learn to be a breadwinner. Yeah, I'm isolated, but the money's still accumulating.